The officer confiscated my license. Am I still able to drive? If you have a Texas driver's license and are arrested for DWI, it is common for the officer to confiscate your license. Typically, you will be issued a paper temporary driving permit upon your release from jail. If the officer did not issue a temporary driving permit, it is very important to notify your attorney as soon as possible. This could mean you were not given proper notice of the suspension and may be cause to challenge the suspension. You may also go to DPS, Department of Public Safety, and request one before continuing to drive. A temporary license is valid for a 40-day period after arrest, but before a license suspension begins. It is highly recommended that you seek the advice of an attorney as soon as possible after your arrest. The clock is ticking on some important deadlines. An attorney can help you determine if it is wise to challenge the license suspension. Texas law requires that you file a request for an administrative license revocation hearing, ALR hearing, within 15 days of your arrest. If you cannot make a decision about an attorney within 15 days, you can make the request on your own and hire an attorney later. If you or your attorney requests the ALR hearing, your license suspension will be stayed. This means you can drive past the 40-day mark until the outcome of the hearing. If the attorney wins the hearing, you will not have a pre-conviction license suspension. Instructions for all of these things can be found on the DIC-24 and DIC-25 forms that you should have received from the officer when you were arrested. If you did not receive these documents, inform your attorney immediately. In most cases, even if the officer confiscates your license, DPS will not be notified of your DWI offense immediately. If you intend to file for an ALR hearing, it may be wise for you to request a replacement copy of your license within the first week after your arrest, sooner the better. This is important not only for driving, but for identifying yourself for many different tasks. But you must make sure to destroy one license when your original is returned to you. It is a violation of law to be in possession of more than one driver's license.